Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings because that's where Timeout lives. First, unlock your Huawei, open Settings, then tap Display or Display and Brightness. That's the control hub. If you don't see it, use the Settings search bar and type Screen Timeout or Sleep to jump straight there. Once found, pause. You're ready to change the actual timeout value. Make sure you're not in a profile or power saving mode yet, because those can override the value you set next. Now choose the new timeout. Tap Screen Timeout or Sleep and a list appears, 15 seconds up to 30 minutes. Pick a preset that matches how you use the device, shorter to save battery, longer to avoid repeated unlocks. Once done, the setting applies immediately. There's no save button. If you want a custom or longer value, consider disabling battery saver or exploring advanced display settings because those modes can limit available options. Finish by locking the phone to confirm the timeout behaves as expected. Watch the screen and note when it sleeps. If it doesn't follow your choice, make sure battery saver, a system profile, or an app with device admin rights isn't forcing a shorter timeout. Once you adjust those, try again. If problems persist, restart the phone and clear the settings app cache that often resolves stubborn settings. If still stuck, factory reset is last resort, but backup first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.